Hey everyone, Joe here at Joe's Bikes. This is a 2022 Aprilia Tuono V4 with just over 4,000 miles on it. Bike's very clean, extremely nice condition, runs very well. Comes with some upgrades on it. So these have all sorts of electronics. You got adjustable ABS brakes, adjustable engine braking, adjustable traction control, selective ride modes, launch control. They're loaded with electronics. Very fun bike to ride, tons of power. You got the Leo Vinci carbon fiber exhaust on it and a tail tidy, cleans up the rear end. These Tuonos just give you a real nice, comfortable riding position, along with incredible performance. And as you can see, the bike's nice and clean. It's got a quick shifter. It does have cruise control also. Let's get it fired up. Nice sound to it, good throttle response, got that nice color screen on it. Real low mileage bike, very clean, the right pipe on it, and as with all our bikes, the price listed is the price out the door. We don't do any dealer fees, and you can ship this bike nationwide. Let us know if you want to check it out.
Thanks for checking out our video. We do have the ability to ship these bikes nationwide, so if you want this bike shipped right to your door, just let us know.
And we do like to be fully transparent, so the price you see listed is always the price out the door. There are zero dealer fees. If you want to learn more about our business or follow us on YouTube, click one of these links.